Et bah yo tout le monde, c'est Vini, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve pour une toute nouvelle vidéo sur Red Dead Redemption 2. À la dernière fois on s'était infiltré dans la maison du maire grâce à l'invitation d'Angelo Blante. Et... attendez. On a plus de mission quand. Bon bah... on va prendre le choix pour aller à Saint-Denis. On a plus de mission au camp. On prend Tornado. Et on y va tout de suite. Comment ça se fait qu'il n'y a plus de nuit du tout? Une mission. On va traverser pas mal, mais c'est pas le principal. Ah non, c'est la rail. Bah, elle est où le principal? À la côté. Oui, je veux bien. Merci. Surtout quand vous jouez à des jeux où on vous demande est-ce que vous voulez qu'on fasse la sauvegarde automatique? Acceptez surtout. Surtout acceptez. Qui c'est? Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Help me!
Damn, what happened to you?
I need medicine.
Oh, putain.
Here,
Tiens, mon honneur est monté.
Okay. Okay. Oh. We just tried that plan over there, and it was like a gunshot.
Ok, donc il faut pas manger cette plante.
Number one with the pink flowers. Yeah, a little faster.
Ok.
Steer clear. Thanks, mister.
Yep.
I don't need my life.
Une de la vie, ok.
Some things you learn the hard way.
Bon, bah on va commencer la mission la plus proche. Là quoi, on va commencer par la mission la plus proche. Bah on va rentrer dans Saint-Denis, on va voir laquelle est la plus proche. Ça a l'air d'aller, les missions sont plus à gauche, du coup je vais tourner à gauche.
Andiamo!
Andiamo, c'est espagnol ça. Et oui, ça a avancé, je crois. Je me trompe pas. Les missions secondaires, je les ferai peut-être pas en vidéo, je sais pas, je vais voir. Les missions secondaires, c'est quand même très...
What's wrong with you? What's
Vous
that
avez vu la
for?
même chose que moi. il était c'est un cheval invisible. Ah bon bah on a une mission la plus proche, c'est celle-là. Enfin, c'est une mission.
Excuse me.
Hey, do I know you?
Mr. I believe we've met
We have?
at that ghastly party.
Oh, Evelyn Miller.
Unfortunately so, Mr.
Arthur Morgan, at least sometimes.
Can I say something rude?
Sure.
The
Mais
mayor
c'est pas ça qu'on
thinks
avait
you
vu à la
robbed him.
fête aussi, qui venait donner quelque chose au maire.
To be clear, he wasn't very upset about it. He rather liked you.
Okay.
Do you, well, I mean to say, can you steal things?
Is there a reason you're asking me to incriminate myself, Mr. Miller?
Well, I'm sorry. Have you met? This is Rains Fall, a great chief, and his son, Eagle Flies.
Gentlemen?
Yeah, we saw you on the wagon train crossing the river at Cumberland Falls. And at the party, you were upstairs.
You have great powers of observation.
It's my people, if we are even a people anymore. We've fought hard. We've made peace treaties, and those treaties were broken. And we've been moved and punished and moved.
I'm sure.
And now I am told we are to be moved again.
Clearly contravening the peace treaty signed 3 years ago.
This will lead to war.
No, my son, will not. We cannot fight another war. They have got stronger, and we have become far weaker, Mr. Morgan.
It's bad business.
It's to do with oil. I know it is, but I need the proof. I believe there were some prospectors who were on their land a few months ago who have filed reports with Leviticus Cornwall and the state government claiming huge reserves of oil under their land.
So, you want me to try and steal it?
Obviously they can't. And even more obviously, I would be useless. Listen, I realize that it is a ridiculous request, but we're very desperate.
Now, I'm not a do-gooder, Mr. Miller. Gentlemen, I'm very sorry for your predicament, but I'm a working man. I got problems of my own.
We will pay you very handsomely, Mr. Morgan.
How much?
I told you, they're all mercenaries.
There's a price on my head in 2 states, my friend. The government doesn't like me any more than it does you. Like you, I've been running for as long as I can remember. And like you, my time here is nigh undone.
We understand, and we will pay.
Thank you.
You meet my son in a couple of days near Citadel Rock, just west of the oil fields.
Okay.
We are very grateful for your help.
Gentlemen, that appointment with the senator. We should head over there.
It's a waste of our time. And his.
We must try everything. Come along.
Hello, Mr. Miller. The counselor wants to apologize. He can see you now.
We've been waiting I don't know how long.
Or next month, if you'd like to reschedule.
Come. Perhaps the senator won't mind waiting.
Ok, bon bah on aura une mission avec Aigle qui vole. On va faire la mission de plus proche de qui? Trelawney. Bon bah go pour Trelawney. Mon mari on le fera plus tard. On fera peut-être juste après. On fera juste après Trelawney. Ça va combien? Wallah. Dans l'épisode d'avant, si je me trompe pas, quand je vais me mettre des nouveaux habits, ces petits escaliers là-bas, il n'arrive pas à les monter. Mais ceux-là, ils sont hyper grands, hyper larges, ils les montent en deux. Là, j'ai mis quoi 15 secondes pour lui faire monter les escaliers. C'est quoi AW? Attendez. Une nouvelle quête AW. C'est quoi ça? Algernon Waps. Connais pas.
Ah, there you are, dear boy.
Yes, here I am.
Well, we're going to need to get you smartened up a bit.
Je suis pas bien habillé.
Can't play at the tables in a Lannahechee riverboat looking like this.
Yeah?
Not if you want to fit in so well that no one will realize you're there to rob the place. Now, come on.
Are we still doing that?
Of course. We're going to fix you up so fine no one will notice a thing.
Ils appellent ça un chapeau melon.
Hello, can I help you,
Pas la
gentlemen?
forme d'un chapeau melon,
Yes,
ça.
my friend here is in need of a new suit. We are playing on the riverboat this evening. Make this gentleman look like the Duke he really is. It was the English's
Gratuit?
fault,
Oh, cool alors. Si c'est gratuit, moi je prends.
bitter and jealous people. You can see the aristocrat. Come on, let's get you to the barber.
Sure.
Il y a juste la couleur qui change.
Herr Strauss has scoped the whole thing out. It's quite ingenious, actually.
What is?
The action he has planned. Indeed, it's not much of an action at all.
On va où là?
You play cards and win. And you're going to bet very big and flamboyantly while you win. And everyone's going to think you're some new money from the oil fields come to lay it on thick and drunk. All the while, Herr Strauss will be signaling you in your line of sight. When you bust the place, they'll take you upstairs to pay you off. And that is when Javier comes in, and you take
Mais
whatever you
habillé en
want.
costard
You
avec un
don't think
colt,
they
ça
might
fait
see
pas
an
un peu
armed
bizarre, non?
Mexican coming into the safe with me?
Sure, they might,
Ils
but perhaps
ils
not.
ont que des armes et
will
cachées dans la manche et tout
The
petits trucs, pas
suspense is
des
killing
coffres
me.
de cette taille-là.
Oh, don't be so jaded. We both know this is just the kind of innocent fun you thrive on.
Well, after the past couple of months, armed robbery don't seem such an innocent pastime.
No, but we, you, all of us, will be done here soon.
I hope so.
Come on. My
Ok,
good man,
bon.
could you
Pourquoi on peut
smarten
faire
up
J'y
my
étais, là,
dear
c'est bien,
hick
hein.
friend here? This unlikely fellow has made himself a fortune in the
Non,
oil
les
fields
cheveux.
and learned himself not a lick of manners or gentlemanly deportment.
Well, very good, sir.
No, it's not good. Not good at all. Not if they're going to let him play big at the tables tonight.
Ouais, je vais faire ça. Putain, c'est où l'autre con là? Il faut vraiment que je coupe les deux? Non.
Make him look like a prince, sir.
C'est bon là? Cindy, je suis pas bien là, je veux
There, very smart.
Voilà, super.
Come on, let's get to the docks. I've arranged some transportation. for
Calèche?
us.
Et sous-moi, il y a vraiment loué une calèche.
George, to the Grand Corrigan, please.
Grand Corrigan, sir.
Well, look at you. From Toad to Prince.
Yeah, this is a bit much, ain't it? The coach?
We can't whinny up there on horses like a bunch of countrified yokels. You're a brash oil man. Money to burn. Which reminds me, no shuffling and mumbling. Puff your chest out. Get outside yourself.
Yeah, all right, all right. This ain't happening. So, who's a mark? Is he all right, by the way, the driver?
Oh, yes, don't worry. George and I go way back. It's a man called Desmond Blythe. Made a fortune in hosiery of all things. Likes to play fast and always keep some extra collateral in the safe upstairs.
So,
Il y a pas de temps là.
if Strauss is sitting behind him, how does he know what cards I got?
He won't. But the dealer has recently become a very good friend of mine.
Another one.
Don't worry, Arthur. We're all the authors of our own good fortune. He'll make sure you get the right cards.
Pourquoi mais je le sens que ça.
What could possibly go wrong?
Indeed.
And what money am I playing with?
Don't worry. That has all been arranged. Your chips will be waiting for you. Ah, there she is. Come on.
Okay.
Arthur, leave any weaponry here. They'll search us when we get on. George, we'll collect these from you later.
Very good, sir.
Thank you, George.
Good luck, sir.
J'ai pas envie de laisser mon colt là.
Now remember what I said, Arthur. Everyone is the author of his own good fortune.
Yes, yes, believe me, I heard every word.
Watch Strauss, listen to the dealer, and this should be a very lucky night.
La Strauss?
There they
Non,
are.
pas lui. C'était une-
Gentlemen, how wonderful to see you. Arthur, you
C'est Javier.
remember
Ah,
this
Javier.
pair of boys we met in New York? Come on, gentlemen. Champagne is on dear old Arthur. He's rich as can be and feeling luckier than a turkey that survived Thanksgiving.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hello, dear boy. Come on, let's head aboard.
Drinks on Arthur. Champagne.
I'm afraid we require all patrons to hand over their guns.
Oh, on en a pas.
Good time. The tables await.
I'll go find myself a change of clothes.
Okay.
You seem unsure.
Robbing a heavily armed riverboat without a gun tends to bring out the self-doubt in me.
These people are virtually idiots. This is simple stuff. Now have a good time, but don't lose too much money or your wife is going to kill me.
Whatever you say.
Now where can I get a cocktail?
Take a seat, sir.
Good evening, gentlemen. Arthur Callahan. Sorry I'm late. I had some unfinished business at the bar.
Desmond Blythe. Evening. Not to worry. Welcome to the game, Mr. Callahan. Okay, gentlemen, let's play.
I hope you're a player. Been too many cowards at these tables recently. Nothing less dignified than a man afraid to lose a little money.
Je me joue au poker, moi.
Look at this! Chips already stacked up,
Qu'est-ce
waiting
que
for
j'en
me.
fais, moi?
I like this joint already.
We aim to please, sir.
So, how are we all faring?
Some better than others.
If we all fared the same in life now, where would the fun be?
Quiet.
Wait, not Desmond Blythe, the hosiery king. I should have brought my other wallet.
Not my preferred title, but yes, you should have.
You know what? Call.
Here we go, then.
Well, hello, my ladies. Damn it.
Mr. Blythe wins with 3 queens.
Ah.
Goodbye, gentlemen. I guess it's just you and me now, friend.
Yes, it is.
Time to see if you're really the man you seem to think you are.
Likewise, Mr. Blythe.
So what business are you in, Mr. Callahan?
I'm an oil man, for my sins.
Funny. I haven't heard of you.
Oh, you will.
Oh,
You know,
ça viendra. Oh,
I thought about getting
de
into
perdants,
hosiery,
de
but
dames.
I just look better in a suit.
I would stick to oil, Mr. Callahan. I don't think you have a future on the stage.
You sound just like my wife.
Ok.
Okay, Mr. Callahan, I'm all in.
Tapé.
Here goes nothing. Interesting. Pair of cowgirls.
Oh. Ouais.
Shit! Shit!
I guess my luck held. Is that you done?
Done?
Bust. Or, you got something else to play with?
Meaning?
Well, I heard there was some big boys on this boat. Maybe that's not you. No offense.
Sit your hillbilly ass down.
Why?
I got a watch.
Look at you.
An expensive one. Real fine. Swiss. A Reutlinger, no less. It's in the safe upstairs. It's worth more than you.
Okay. I trust you.
Now play.
As you wish.
So, you must know Leviticus Cornwall, big oil man like you.
Of course, we've crossed paths. I was fortunate enough to tour a little operation of his up in New Hanover.
Oh, deux rois. Bon, il est mort.
I am 100% all in,
Putain, il va
Mr.
avoir mis
Callahan.
Don't worry, sir. Everyone is
Well,
the author of his own.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Pair of kings.
Deux
Very
as.
good, but not good enough.
Paire d'as.
Shit.
Ça merde.
Uh-oh. Yes, you little beauty.
Hard lines, Mr. Blythe. Mr. Callahan wins with an ace-high diamond flush.
God damn you! No offense.
None taken.
Well played, sir. Unlucky, Desmond.
Now, forgive my lack of discretion, but, where might I find this watch?
It's upstairs. Shall we go and have a look?
Why not?
Gentlemen.
Please, cash these out for me.
I started last week.
Good. Sure. Perhaps you could escort us up to the office.
Yes, of course, sir.
Thank you.
Follow me, gentlemen.
Come with me, sir.
Ok.
You're having quite the night.
Yeah, so far.
Bon bah...
I cannot believe someone gave a greaser a
L'autre on l'a
job.
fumé. Comment ça se
We
fait?
live in strange
On l'a fumé.
times.
Tout ce que je sais.
Personally, I wouldn't trust one with a gun, but fear not. I've got my own little lawgiver right here.
Very good.
Next, we'll be hiring Negroes.
Yeah, I know.
I think you're going to like this watch, sir. I saw it earlier, and it really is a handsome piece.
Tout le monde peut
Foreign
avoir un
made, but
travail.
you can't have everything.
Indeed.
Well, here we are.
Ok, bon bah on arrive là. Alors,
Just give me 1 second, sir.
Of course, take your time. Don't reach for that gun.
Take his gun, Arthur.
Toi, tu dégages.
I guess you were right. Only an idiot would give a greaser a gun.
Fais le coffre, s'il vous plaît.
Idiot, huh?
Ah! Shit, let's hope no one heard that. Quick, clear the safe. Let's get out of here.
Merde.
Can't believe that asshole had another gun.
The view in here is looking pretty good.
How much is there?
Must be a few thousand plus the watch.
Nice. Now let's get out of here. Come on. Let's go meet the others.
Sure.
I reckon we've only got a few minutes to get out of here.
If we're lucky.
Was that a gunshot? It sounded like one. Come on.
Allez, go, il faut...
And how exactly are we
Qu'est-ce que je
getting
vais
out of
dire?
here?
I ain't too sure.
Bateau.
This is what tends to happen when you leave Trelawney in charge of planning. Oh,
Attendez, je reviens tout de suite. Excusez-moi, je suis revenu tout de suite. Allez, go, on reprend.
garnish no meat. Probably involve us dressing up as dancing girls and cannon off the side. Nice uniform, by the way.
Thanks. Give anyone a job these days. Anyway, we shouldn't give ourselves away till we know we need to. Maybe we could still blend into the crowd when it all goes crazy.
Which it surely will. To the bar, senor!
I hope you had fun, sir.
At the time of my life. You boys sure know how to put on a show.
That's wonderful. Ah, look, there's your friend.
Sir, my friend is not a no cheat, and I beg you to take back the insinuation.
There he is.
Now, don't be a sore loser, friend.
There's something I don't like about the pair of you.
There's plenty I don't like about you, but I have the good manners to keep my mouth shut.
There he is! Shoot that man! Come on,
Attends, j'ai pas compris.
we gotta get out of here!
No, this ain't my show. Silly me, I clean forgot to bring my gun to...
Damn it! We gotta go! Come on! What about the alligators?
Get in there!
Oh my god!
Et là, on part par où maintenant là? On va rentrer à Sony comme ça. Ok.
Well, never a dull moment.
Yeah, that's one way of putting it.
Voilà quoi.
So, how much did we get?
A few thousand, I think. Pretty good.
Yes, indeed.
And this watch, apparently it's worth a bunch. Swiss, a Reutlinger or something?
Nice watch. Yes, it's a Reutlinger, all right.
We'll give it back then. All right, come on, let's get out of here.
Yes, c'est une reliure la mort. Bah les amis, avec l'action qui vient de se passer, mettez un pouce bleu, abonnez-vous, activez la cloche de notification, ça fera toujours plaisir. Moi j'ai quand même que 800. C'est quand même un paquet. Bah on est à côté de la mission de Marie, bah on va y aller tout de suite du coup. Bah où Marie, elle est là. Elle est sur le balcon.
Arthur! Arthur! Up here! You came!
Yeah, I came. So, what do you need?
Wait there! I'm coming straight down!
Si vous regardez, vous.
Arthur,
Hello, Mary.
you came.
Sure. Whenever you call for me, I'll come.
Oh, Arthur.
What's wrong?
Daddy.
Your father? I'm a bigger fool than I even thought.
I'm begging you, Arthur. I know Daddy was not kind to you, but surely you cannot hate a man for the sin of loving his daughter and wanting better for her than
Than me?
than the choices you make.
What choice did I have? Did I ever have?
Oh, I know. You had to live by your code. But your code is... well, it's not right.
Has your way been right, Mary? With you? And Jamie joining a bunch of crazies? And hypocritical daddy with his drinking and whoring and gambling? Huh? Is that what a pure life has gotten you? Begging me for help?
Oh, Arthur. Be kind to me. Please.
Sorry.
I should have asked someone else, but...
But I'm the best guy you know at frightening decent people.
It wasn't that I didn't love you, Arthur. You know that. Oh, Arthur. We were so very young. Think how different life could have been.
Yeah, I think about it. A lot. It all seems so long ago and far away now.
Will you help me try to save Daddy?
On va l'aider.
Come along, then. Where are we going? What's the old lovable patriarch been up to now?
Oh, Arthur, you know sarcasm is beneath you. He's been gambling and drinking and other things.
Oh, the filthy rotter. Where can we find him?
He said he was going down to the Theodore Eckhart stables. Something about a horse. It's down by the water in the warehouse district near the train yard.
Come on, then.
Don't be a pompous ass, Arthur. It doesn't suit you.
Oh, should I leave that to Daddy?
Leave Daddy alone. He suffers enough.
Well, I suppose I can take some consolation in that.
No, Arthur. I should have ran away with you years ago.
Well, you wouldn't.
No, I didn't. But... well... I don't know.
Oui. Déjà là? Ok.
So what do you think he's up to?
I'm not sure. He keeps saying it's a disgrace a man of his standing has to ride around on some old nag.
Standing? He's usually falling down.
Arthur. He wasn't always this way, but it has got worse. He's drinking and gambling more than ever, pawning things off left and right, mixing with bad people. I'm just scared for him.
Don't worry too much. Whatever it is, we'll work it out.
Petite balade tranquille.
Hello. Hola.
Bon bah on a retrouvé Marie, mais on n'est pas ensemble, ça me tombe pas, non? On n'est pas ensemble. C'est bon, on va se remettre ensemble. Que Arthur va se mettre avec elle. Va se remettre avec elle.
This is the place. Let me go in and see what kind of a state he's in.
Sure. I'll wait here. Good luck. Scream if you need any help.
Very funny.
You can't stand there.
What, in the street?
Yes, in the street.
Is it your street?
Just get out of here.
Why?
I said, just get out of here.
Listen, partner. I'm waiting on a lady. She's a fine lady. She's just gone inside. If I wasn't waiting on this lady, you'd be dead already. But if you continue to irritate me, I'll kill you. I make my apologies to the lady. It's your call.
Oh, I didn't mean nothing.
Never been so demeaning in my life.
Apology accepted. Oh, wait, right there.
I have half a mind to kill you myself.
Daddy!
No.
Oh, Daddy, please, come home. You're tired, Daddy, tired and
I have no
unwell.
such thing. You get away from me. You head home. I insist upon it. Leave me be. Damn nuisance.
Excuse me, partner. Still as charming as ever, I see.
Oh, Arthur, he's up to no good. We better follow him.
Okay.
This way. That weapon won't be necessary.
Just in case.
I've heard that one before. He went around the corner.
C'est bien, on est caché par grâce à ton dos. Là, on l'est plus là.
Hold up, Arthur.
You can see why he has such a high opinion of himself. We'll just follow the smell.
Arthur, come on. He just went between those crates. Come here, quick.
Mind where you go. Mind where you go.
Sorry?
Do you think he saw us?
I don't think so.
What did you say to me?
I didn't say a thing insulting.
I'll wipe that goddamn smirk clean off your face.
Ain't you a little old for brawling, mister?
Damn you!
He's heading across the road.
You know, this is kind of fun.
He'll hear you. You could have cleaned yourself up a bit.
I didn't realize I was here to impress anyone.
He just went left down that alleyway. What's he doing?
Let's go find out. Don't say I never show you a good time.
I'm just glad you're here.
On s'est mis comme ça, non? On s'est mis comme ça.
What's he doing? What do you think he's doing?
Well, he's either waiting for a woman of dubious morals, or he's trying to sell something.
So, Ashton, you got the money?
Seems he's selling something.
Have you got the brooch, Mr. Gillis?
Yes. Here.
Here's the money. That is beautiful.
It's a family heirloom.
That was Mother's
Family
brooch.
Not any longer, Mr. Gillis. Enjoy the money. And should you need any more, I can offer you a loan at a very reasonable rate of interest.
No, thank you. I've heard what happens to folks who take loans from you.
It's not
I've
even
made
his to
100
sell.
million.
No, it's just a brooch. At least he didn't get himself killed.
You don't understand. Mother left it to me. You sold my mother's brooch? How could you?
You!
That's theft.
Oh, speaking of thieves, I see you found your outlaw again.
Hello, sir. Have you been well?
Daddy, how could you?
Mary, wait here. I'll go get the brooch.
Don't hurt anyone, Arthur.
T'inquiète, t'inquiète, je vais sur buter un ou deux, mais t'inquiète, je vais pas faire de mal.
Hey, you, Ashton! Hold her right there! God damn it!
Et mon cheval, il vient pas là? On va pas courir après une diligence? Ce con il vient pas hein. Ah ce con il vient pas hein. Je sais même pas si j'ai un peu de
You hearing me? Stop the damn coach! Get back here! God damn it! You stop right now!
What the hell? This is insane. Do you know who I am? You can't do this!
Easy. Get out of there.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. It's just a brooch.
I want that brooch. It wasn't Gillis's to sell.
I bought it fair and square.
How much do you want for it?
I guess I could give it to you for $100.
100? What do you take me for?
Okay, okay. I'm a reasonable man. Let's say 50.
Not good enough, Ashton.
Okay, Jesus! $25, that's my final offer.
Here.
Here, take the damn thing.
Mais je voulais pas l'acheter.
Crazy son of a bitch! You don't know who you're messing with! Somebody's gonna pay for this!
Putain, mais vidéo compas de la marine. Ah ouais. Boucle d'oreille, ouais. Chevalière, non. Montre qu'on a bourse. Encore une autre bourse. Ah putain, j'ai bien fait ce truc là. Voilà.
Yep. Where's your father?
I don't know.
You want me to go find him again?
Not really.
Let's take a walk. I'll take you to the trolley.
Thank you.
Mais il ferait vraiment un très joli couple.
Yeah. Got you your brooch back.
I won't ask.
Probably best not.
Hey. What are you doing now? Right this moment?
Why'd you ask?
Well, I was wondering if you wanted to do something. Head to the theater, perhaps.
Au théâtre? On va accepter, hein.
Theater? Me? Sure, why not?
It'll be fun, Arthur. Let's go to the Relure. They have the strangest acts.
Strangeness I can handle. Well, it's the normal business of life. I can't seem to get a grip on it.
You and me both, Arthur. Oh, I've missed you.
Don't start.
You're an idiot, but you'll always be my friend.
Well, of course I'm your friend, but you ain't always fair with me.
If I was fair with you and a good person, I'd have had you hanged a long time ago.
Well, that's true.
So, shut up and act like a gentleman, or at least try to for once in your brainless life.
You're not a very nice woman, Mrs. Lynn.
Well, look at the company I keep.
I know, it's quite dreadful, isn't it?
Oh. It's sort of beautiful, in a gaudy and tasteless way.
It's the only way I know.
Thank you.
Oh, no, I didn't mean it like that.
I'm sure. You silly man. Come on, let's go find our seats.
How about here on the right?
Sure.
After you.
On attend quoi là en fait?
Welcome! And thank you for that thunderous applause.
Regardez comment ils sont beaux.
I'm Aldridge T. Abington, the greatest assembler of entertainment since Nero himself. Do not doubt. As a child, when I walked the horse manure-covered streets of Saint-Denis, I never dreamed of the stir I would create in this locality as a proprietor of the greatest show ever assembled. Prepare for the grandest excitement of your curiosity. Fire, snakes, and magic. I encourage any of you to dabble in all three if you have a settled aversion to manual labor as I do. For entertainment is a gift, that will see you through the winter better than any packed larder or root cellar full of canned goods. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a truly stunning musical performance to the stage, Miss Robin Koninsky!
Now let's talk a little bit about this place we all love called Saint-Denis. They come from rolled strawberry and Valentine, singing a song and drinking wine across Bayou Swamp and over the sea. We're heading down to Saint-Denis. If your wagon is broke, get to the blacksmith shop. Don't worry yourself with planting a crowd. The girls are wearing a brand new gown. We're heading to the Saint-Denis town. Carpetbaggers, coal miners, and mountain folk, loosen them stirrups and let off that yoke. Pretty young things say, come with me in the parlors and brothels of Saint-Denis. The porter is drinking and the whistle just blew. The trains are heading to the land of voodoo. You won't sleep a wink, I can guarantee. Let's go drinking down in Saint-Denis. The rich and poor and the bourgeoisie, they's all heading down to Saint-Denis. France didn't really give us much, except wine and grapes and fancy such and such. Pretend to be French, but can't you see? I'd rather live in Saint-Denis. Yes, I'd rather live in Saint-Denis. So draw your money, come see your honey in old Saint-Denis. Bravo!
Hey, come on, let's get out of here.
Oh, okay. Sure, if you want.
Reckon we've seen the best of it.
C'était bien.
All right, you better take me to the trolley now, Mr. Morgan.
Of course.
Quite ridiculous, but shame we couldn't stay longer.
Sorry.
My life wasn't supposed to... Oh. Is it too late for us, Arthur?
I can't lie to you. I'm a wanted man, Mary. If anyone close to me, well, they're wanted too. And I can't have you wrapped up in there. But it's coming to an end. This time it really is.
Run away with me, Arthur. Run away right now and don't look back.
I want to. More than anything, I want to. But I've got some people I need to take care of. Once they're free, then I'm free. Then I can disappear.
But Arthur...
If we're gonna run away anywhere, we'd need money. Soon, I'll have some.
I know you won't run away. But it's a pretty dream.
Very pretty. But I will, once I get some money. I had some. But then some fool got it trapped into a town that I can't go back to. That's another story.
I'll write you.
Et ben purée. Voilà. Bon bah les amis, c'est une fin de vidéo pour aujourd'hui. On se retrouve demain pour une toute nouvelle vidéo. Allez, ciao.